Hey guys, Justin here. In this video, I'm going to be going over query letters. I'm going to teach you how to write a successful query letter in 7 steps. So let's just jump into what is a query letter. A query letter is a one-page letter sent to a literary agent in efforts to get them excited about your book. You have 1 page to woo them into falling in love with your story and then for them to request your manuscript. So now let's jump into how to write a successful query letter. Step 1. Capture the agent's attention with your greeting. There are a few ways you can start off with a greeting. If you ever want any writing awards or if you have anything published already, you let them know. You can attach a letter of recommendation from another author or agents that you've worked with, or you can add a personal note if you've ever met them at a book signing or workshop. Let them know. If you don't have either of those 3 for greetings, don't fear. Just jump right into your hook. That leads to step 2. Create an irresistible hook. Your hook should show the agents how your book is different from the thousands of others in your genre. You want to make the reader wonder why someone hasn't thought of this before. Here's one of my favorite hooks, and it's from Dexter. Meet Dexter Morgan, a polite wolf in sheep's clothing. He's handsome and charming, but something in his past has made him abide by a different set of rules. He's a serial killer whose one golden rule makes him immensely likable. He only kills bad guys. Step 3. Write a tantalizing synopsis. I have another video that I've already talked about how to write a successful synopsis, so I'll add that link right here in the corner so you can watch it. But you want to make sure that you have the protagonist, the antagonist, and the central conflict for your synopsis. Step number 4 is add a personal touch. Let the agent know why you're the only one that can successfully write this story. Example, if you're a circus performer trying to tell the reader about the real life as a circus performer, then let the agent know. Step number 5, personalize each letter for each agent. Do your research on each agent before submitting a query letter to them. Trust me, they know when you do a copy and paste because it sounds too generic. Make it personal to them. Maybe they've helped publish a book similar to yours. Include that book and how yours mirrors it and how it would fit them as an agent. If you're getting great information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue giving you guys tips and tricks to writing a successful story. So now let's jump back into step number 6. Step number 6, it's huge, proofread. I know that all this will be a lot of work, and you don't want all your hard work to go down the drain because you didn't proofread. I know, no one likes to proofread unless you're an editor, but you definitely have to, because if you mess up your query letter, then what about your manuscript? And the last step, step number 7, a simple goodbye. Don't try to set up a meeting or anything like that. If you successfully write your query letter, then they'll be contacting you. Keep the farewell simple. Just add something like this. Thanks for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing from you. Sincerely, and then add your name. You can also find me on other social media platforms like TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram under Creative Writing Lessons. So this is an example of a successful query letter. If you want, just pause it. This is part 1, and it's going to jump into the second clip right now, and this is part 2. So if you need to take notes, you can come back to this video, rewatch it, pause it on these parts right here, and it'll help you when you're writing your query letter, getting ready to send out your manuscript. I know we went over a lot of information, so don't forget you can always go back, rewatch these videos. In this video here, I will have a synopsis in case you need to brush up and get ready for your query letter. And in the other video right here, I'll put in the log line because a log line can also be a hook just to catch them in there and show them how great of a story you have. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video.